and good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to change text to speech voice on TikTok. First things first, open up your TikTok app. Then, proceed by pressing the plus icon on the middle part. What you want to do next is make a TikTok. Once you are done recording your TikTok video, what you want to do now is click the check button right here. Now, what you want to do again is to click the AA icon on the top right of your screen. Proceed by typing anything you want. In this case, I'll type hello. Then press the speaking icon right here, or the text-to-speech option. And that's it. You can now change text to speech voice on TikTok. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.